today with us we have the latest MacBook Pro M2. It has just released today. It went on pre-order last week and I didn't pre-order it. I just went to the Apple store today and just bought it. And I think I am the one of the first customer in India to get this beast in my hands right now. So let's go and let's unbox this. But before that, please hit the subscribe button. So this is my first Apple MacBook ever. So I have no idea how it works, how to use it. So this is the obviously MacBook and this is the silver color, and I have bought 256 GB variant with 8 GB of RAM. So this is the base variant of MacBook Pro lineup, 13 inches. So we have got one cable for charging, and this in California, and I think this has got the Apple stickers and some manuals. I guess we'll check at that later out. So apart from that, we have got a 67 watt charger. This is a fast charger. So let's open the MacBook. This is the silver color beauty. This is the beauty. Wow. So I have ordered the silver color MacBook and I love this color of MacBook. There are two options for MacBook Pro M2. One is space gray and one is silver. So I have opted the silver one because I love this color, and to be honest, silver color is always on shortage. So I've specially ordered, and thank you to Future World Vikas Marg in Delhi. Big thanks to them. And let's open it. Whoa. Awesome. So let's go. And as I open it, it has started doing its stuff. What I love about this MacBook is, and I have not bought Air, is the touch bar. I am in love with this touch bar. The second thing is, wow, it says Namaste. So Namaste. The second most important thing for me was a fan in a laptop, because I would be editing my videos on this laptop, so I need that extra fan to keep it cool. Its MRP is 1,30,000, but I haven't paid that much. I have applied a credit card discount, that is HDFC discount. Also, I have taken an education discount for this, and I have given my old laptop for exchange, for which I got a extremely good exchange offer, like extremely good price. My laptop was very old, 5 years old, i3 laptop, and exchanged it for around 11,500, which is damn awesome. I don't think so if I give that laptop to anyone for free, they would be using that laptop because it was that slow. But I got 11,500, so thank you, Apple. I love this touch bar, man. So any new MacBook is not having this touchpad now, but I just love it. It just looks so good. Considering the things it have, it's a beast, and it's very light, very portable, which is required while traveling. You can edit and you can take it anywhere. So I'm just in love with this right now. The look and feel is just amazing. Also, I have bought a very important accessory, which is a hub for this laptop. So this laptop has only two USB ports, and they are USB 3 ports, and one headphone jack. So you need something like this, which has bigger USB ports for the hard disk and flash drives, whatever you want, and also one charging port over here, and HDMI port, which is very important. This laptop doesn't have a HDMI port, so you need this converter for if you want additional screens or you want to present. HDMI is required, right? So you can plug in the memory cards over here, and also a headphone jack is also available. Extra headphone jack is there. So also you can put the LAN wire also over here, so that's also available. And this is very cheap. This is around 2,500. I got it from Amazon. So this is a steal deal. You can buy this, which is 100% required. I'll just drop a link in the description. You can buy it from there. So now I would talk about that why or why you should not buy this laptop. So if you already have a 13 inches M1 MacBook Pro, I would say don't buy this. This won't be a big upgrade for you for the cost. But if you don't have a MacBook like me, you definitely can buy this laptop because it has the latest M2. You can also buy the MacBook Air, but obviously I like the touch bar on this, and the differences between Air and this laptop is touch bar, 2 cores of GPU it has extra than Air, and also it has that fan which is required if you live in a hot country and you are doing something very heavy like editing or coding, which requires a lot of constant use of processors and GPUs on very heavily. There is also an option to customize this laptop. You can add SSD, you can add RAM to this laptop, but if you add all those things, that costs you around $200 extra each for each and everything. So if you add on those things, so the price of this almost goes up to the M1 14 inches laptop. So I would say if you want to add more things in this, like if you want 16 GB or 24 GB of RAM, I would not recommend you this laptop. Instead go for M1 14 inches laptop. That is the beast. So for the viewers who want to buy this, if you are someone who wants to do editing and all those stuff, heavy kind of stuff, and don't have a budget of 14 inches M1 laptop, this is the perfect option for you. I would also be using it for video editing for my vlogs, and I think this would be the perfect laptop for me. But if you just want a laptop for browsing and normal editing and normal things, and you live in a cooler country, I would recommend you going for the Air version of this laptop, M2 MacBook Air, which is cheaper than this, and that laptop has a lot of changes compared to the earlier version of MacBook Air. So definitely go for that version. If you like this video, please do subscribe and please hit that bell icon.